figure we...
That was short. We're in the video.
You always hate it when people say, here's what I'm going to do. And then they do it. Nice.
Yeah. So what is all this stuff, dude?
Dude, we got some cool stuff.
Yeah, you called me and you said, hey, we got some stuff. And then you wouldn't tell me what it was. And then it's like, they sent it to us without asking. So that's, always bonus.
Of course.
So send us free stuff.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it on the table.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Telesin. Good stuff. So what happened was basically we use a Telesin selfie stick, a normal selfie stick. And we did this really cool episode, we'll link to it in the back, where we lost our selfie stick. And we were so bummed.
We're tumbling.
It was lost in the middle of, Colorado?
No idea.
Yeah, I think it was Colorado.
Yeah.
A moment of silence for another victim of the tat. May the selfie stick rest in peace. All right, let's get back to this thing.
All right, so tell us it. They sent us...
Yeah, so they saw the video, I guess, and they're like, we'll send you some stuff. So they sent us this big guy, 10-foot selfie stick to test out, and we used it in our episode in Utah.
Correct.
That was
at the dried up lake bed.
Yeah. It is a 10-foot selfie stick, you guys. This thing is unbelievable.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar can do selfies with it.
Yes, he can.
Full body.
How about?
Did I just date myself by doing a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar reference?
Yes, you do.
It should be someone.
Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps is pretty tall.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was going with a basketball guy, but he's tall too.
Yeah. Well, what basketball players? I don't know.
All the big ones.
Anyway, so we are super enamored with this guy. We take it on our adventures and love it.
Mm-hmm.
And but they sent us so many other things.
I know.
This guy, I'm really excited about. Should we open it?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. Let's do a little unboxing, you guys. This is the Smart Tracking Pan and Tilt Head.
Do we need some opening music?
Sure.
Okay.
Can you put that in?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Unboxing.
And cut.
That feels pretty light.
There's nothing in there. And you want to know why? We are such the practical jokers. And not even it's underneath the camera. Hit the button.
Yeah. Comes with a remote. Check this out. Hi, guys. I'm talking over here. And, Jason is over here.
I'm not talking. Wait a minute.
Hold on.
Is it two people? It can't track two people.
I don't know. What if I hide behind you?
What if you switch places with me? Will it follow you because it likes you better?
It likes me better.
Oh, jeez. This is the story of my life.
But listen. Let's turn that off.
Okay. Oh, you're moving it.
Now go.
Well, you can follow me with the remote control, of course. That's me.
Isn't that cool?
But I love it. It's cool.
I love this little thing. It comes with this remote control. Now, here's a really neat thing. Some people would send you this cool little device and they wouldn't put a battery in it for the remote control. And you'd have to go buy your own battery, right? Battery's not included.
Steven Spielberg presents
machines that reproduce themselves. Is that why you're here?
Batteries Not Included.
I thought that was a nice touch.
Okay, move it this way just a little bit.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Boom.
Center it up. Okay. No. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh!
Now we can continue.
Do you want control?
Not really.
All right. Because, in my household, Cammie and I fight over the remote.
Oh, then we'll just have to put it right here and move on to something else.
What else did they give us?
They gave us microphones. Here's a wired microphone, the pro-grade.
Open that one.
Pro-grade wearable microphone. Now, generally, when we do these, we don't go all out with the microphones because we're on the motorcycles and we're hopping on and hopping off, and we're just using the apparatus, whether it be the GoPro or the phone, for our audio. And of course, we run into wind and noise in that, but it's the nature of the beast.
Right.
These, they sent us a wired microphone. Oh, well, of course, we're being sneaky again.
Oh.
You're wearing the wired microphone. See, we got the wire.
Look.
Yeah,
it's really cool because, it's built really well. It's kind of like almost like a space age metal or something. It's not like plasticky, but it feels good.
Okay, it feels good, but it's plastic.
Oh,
But it keeps the cost down. That's the whole point.
Listen, when I got this stuff, I called you and I'm like, it's not quite Apple, but it's a nice presentation and it's a nice looking, nice feeling product. It's not cheap.
Oh, and they hooked us up again. There's a battery.
There's a battery already in it.
That's nice.
Unbelievable.
I like the one things I do like about this one is you can switch it from DSLR or to phone. Those two inputs are different. One has a 3-ring 1/8" plug and the other has a 2-ring 1/8" plug. They've allowed for that, which is really, really cool because although we're not shooting with the DSLR now, a lot of people use DSLRs for pro shoots, and boingo. Which is cool because most of the time you need an adapter or you need some kind of another piece of equipment, phantom power, whatever.
Having it built in is perfect.
Always better.
Love it. That
Cool. So and we nice little case.
Oh,
so that's brilliant. Of course, it needs a case. You don't carry it around in your pocket. So that's 2 down. We have 2 selfie, well, 3 down. 2 selfie stick, wired mic, and now
ta-da! The last one, number 3.
I bet you can guess where that is. I bet you can guess. Yes. So there's the pack. It was already charged as well, but it is a USB charge. Not a battery, so that's internal charging.
But they do provide. And I left it in there, but they do provide the charging cables, and it's a little Y cable.
Yes.
So you can plug it into one USB charging block, like you may have, and then you can charge that and the receiver,
and then for the receiver, which is on that phone over
camera.
there. In fact, hey, let's just do this. Here is really gently.
Don't mess up
the receiver.
Oh boy.
So it plugs right into the Apple iPhone with the Apple iPhone adapter. And if you don't have an Apple, of course, it's a regular 8" plug.
Plugs into any phone.
That's right. And you don't need the little switchy thing.
And you don't need Apple's proprietary junk. So if you had it plugged into this Android, it would just work.
8". Right.
Comes with a little headset.
A big old 8". Oh no. It also comes with a headset. So if you're doing presentations on stage or at an event or whatever, we have the headset. And operator,
hello.
How can I connect you?
911.
How might I direct your call?
Yeah, operator, where's the nearest telephone?
So, and then we have the little plugs, which I suppose this is like a mini shotgun or something like that. You could just plug it into the receiver there. Maybe as a handheld microphone or something.
Yeah,
like that.
absolutely.
An adapter here for hooking it on top of the camera or any other cold shoe mount. Another little handle, another holder mount. And then the cables. So remember I said just a minute ago, it's DSLR or phone, 2 rings versus 3 rings. 2 rings on this one. So you have to make sure that you plug in the right cable into the right one.
And they have them labeled.
Because it's labeled. And that's always nice.
Are you dizzy? Are you dizzy yet with Jason throwing stuff up at
Not
you?
until we take that out and make it go really fast.
I want to do that again. Hello. Hi. I'm over here now. I really like that device, man.
I think it's cool.
That is going to be a cool product.
All right, now you're going to have to fix it again.
Smart tracking. I love that.
Put it back in there.
Put it back. All right.
There we go.
So it's cool.
This video is almost finished. You have to put it in the center back up.
So the remote has this button where you can turn the smart tracking on or off. And when you turn it off, then you can manually control it. You can use it to set up the 360 shot. It's really cool. There's all kinds of stuff that you can use with this guy.
So now we have to get into a little bit of the uncomfortableness, which is we have to rip on it a little. Okay, so they are budget. They work, but you might have to play with them to get perfect, high quality sound. I don't think it's really meant for that because it is a budget item.
So it's not going to quite compete with your Pico mics.
Well, Pico's a UHF as well, so we might have to do a test on a separate video for that. But I do love the Pico mics.
Yeah, that's what you use professionally for your videos.
It's not going to be a Sennheiser, and it's not going to be a Sony, and it's not going to be the big dogs. But you're also not paying $2,000 per mic set, so that's it's a trade-off. And if you're doing vlogs and things, this is the perfect thing to do.
For what we use for traveling around, doing adventure films and stuff like that, stop somewhere, do a little interview.
Right,
works great.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna have a little problem with the Telesin follow thing. Your favorite thing?
Why?
I need it to tilt. I know it's another feature, and I know it's not for that, and I know it's a budget, but it goes back and forth. But if I walk backwards, we got all this headroom. It needs to tilt up and keep my head in the top.
What if we go forwards?
Then it'll chop our heads off. See, it needs to tilt. If they could come out, if somebody could come out with one that is a budget friendly, just like this,
But that also
but it
goes
would,
up
would
or
go
down.
back and forth and tilt and keep our heads in the top third, then as photographers, we want composition to be appropriate. We don't want a lot of extra headroom. So this is my only beef with that is I wish someone would come up with that.
Guess what?
Solution.
I bet you $1 million Telesin is already working on it.
Do it now, and then send me one for free. So that's all the stuff. What do you think?
No, that's a good tip. It's a great product, great first edition. I think they'll improve it, and all these, they're very, very useful. I think we're going to put every bit of this to good use in upcoming videos. In fact, some of these we will probably do a full-on review. So
Yes.
subscribe to the channel, give us a like on the video. We appreciate that. It helps tell YouTube that we're a growing channel, and we appreciate your support, guys. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Awesome.